Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasmin and today I'm going to show you how to clean gas stove. This is, look how much is dirty and which products are needed for this. First one is the jacks, and the second one is this is a steamer, this one, and this is the dishwashing soap and some sponge I needed, and this thing, and I show you guys how to clean that. Do all of them like that, look over here, and when you done all of them like that, this one is optional, and I just want to show you because this line is on that. So with that, and you can do that for weekly. Know how much is coming out this stuff. You can just do only with a steamer. This steamer machine you can do with just only with the machine machine steamer. And now I'm picking this everything with the towels. Look at that. And how much is coming out. So I'm pick up everything, then I'll show you guys the next step. This is the one steps. First step I show you guys already. Now is second steps. I need a simple green over here, some of simple green, and I'm using with the water. So I'm spray first over here with it, and after being done with spray, we're using is Ajax. And we're using now with the sponge, this sponge, this like that everywhere and on. And I do with all of them this, then after show you guys. Using it just like the all of sponge I've done with that. That's how much is that coming out. And this is you only use on the steel, do not use on the colorful. If it's coming out, if any problem, it's not my responsibility. Okay. So now I'm getting this towel, so take it out again. Look at that. Look at how much is clean. Look. This is second step. So I'm cleaning all this with that. Pick up everything, then I'll show you. I'm done with this second part. It's now done. It's clean. You guys see the before and now you guys see it. And please request that this thing we're using with that, you see the lines, if you, because look over here, this is just for whether I have a steamer, then this one, Look over here. If you guys have this and do steam wood, then you have to use this one. But this is put lines over like that. And also you have option this one. You can use this one for rubbing like that. And please, if you have color for, it's color is messed up if using these things. So I just want to show you guys, make sure, okay. And this one part I'm take it out of from here. So now I'm using back because I'm clean separate this one. So put on that dash. So I'm putting other stuff on it, on there. Putting all the pieces. Now I'm putting the pieces on it, and I recommend you guys, if you want to do it also not dirty so much, so you put an aluminum foil down over here, then using. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and share it with your family friend. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching for next video. Bye bye. And this I take it about is like 25 minutes. If you want to see my other videos, also fan is coming on the link. Bye.